First of all, no, yung import namin, si Calvin Warner, talagang is a true professional. No? Nagtrabaho na gusto, he has a 30 hours flight, no, from Dominican Republic. Dumating siya at 8 a.m. And then, yun nga, talagang nagtrabaho, no? Nagtrabaho yung import. At the same time, parang nag-amuyan kagad eh. There's blending sa local guys, no? Kay Terence, kay Stanley, and then yung mga other players, no? They do their share, no? Pero syempre iba pa rin yung may import ka na naglaro, no? Iba pa rin yung may import ka naglaro. Token Tech is a strong team, down by 20 plus. Nakabalik sila by 6 points. And then, syempre, yung team naman natin, hindi rin naman papatalo. No? Kasi kailangan itong panalon to. Dahil yung setup nung tournament, 4 ang mawawala. No? Kaya kami, gusto namin pumunta sa playoffs. Then our goal is to get the 1 and 2 spot. No? I think nasagot yata ng management yan ni Coach Bonnie. May pangangailangan kami, no, sa team na parang which is si Brian, medyo kulang biting kami, kulang sa amin. And then kita namin si Calvin actually for third conference namin. Yung desire nandun, yung intensity nandun maglaro. Kaya kanina medyo nag-follow up, 3 talon, bitin na eh. Siguro, yun na, lumalabas na yung sa aeroplano, yung jet lag. No?